Bill Nye has just revealed some shocking information from space that could change our understanding of the world. The James Webb Space Telescope has captured images of more than 13 billion years ago that reveal the world's fascinating mysteries. What if these ancient lights hold the key to secrets we never imagined? What hidden dangers do these new examples in the world show us? Let's explore these revelations and explore their potential implications for our understanding of the world. The world 13 billion years ago was very different from what we know today, and the James Webb Space Telescope is making discoveries about distant worlds, galaxies, and other space features. It's not just an impressive scientific instrument. A successor to the Hubble Space Telescope could also be found. But which images from the James Webb Space Telescope are stirring our old imaginations? And what does Bill Nye think about it all? Let's take a closer look. The construction of the James Webb Space Telescope was a major undertaking by NASA scientists and engineers, and it was successfully launched on Christmas Day 2021. The deployment of the telescope over the next few months was done without any problems. By the end of June 2022, it will be fully operational, and researchers will begin to identify thousands of new galaxies. Some of these galaxies are older and more distant than we have seen before. Some are more than 150 million years older than the oldest galaxies seen by Hubble. But the telescope does more than just find distant galaxies. It can also collect light from celestial bodies such as exoplanets and young stars, helping us learn about their shapes and motions in space. Bill Nye explains that these data are beginning to provide detailed information about the atmospheres of planets hundreds of light years away, showing what they look like. This progress will deepen our understanding of the universe and may change the way we think about life beyond Earth. However, that's not really surprising. One of the most famous images taken by the Hubble Space Telescope is the Pillars of Creation in the Eagle Nebula. These amazing clouds were discovered, but what happened inside remained a mystery. Now, thanks to the Webb Telescope, we can see inside and see many protostars. A cluster of dust and gas larger than our solar system forms a small red against the dark background of the poles. These signs are young stars just starting life. These newborn stars of the pictures have not yet started burning hydrogen. As Bill Nye explains, the more resources they accumulate, the stronger their centers become. Eventually, it becomes dense enough to start burning hydrogen, raising the temperature to 2 million degrees Celsius. In these images, different colors represent infrared wavelengths that we cannot see. For example, things that appear blue in a picture appear red to the human eye. Colors change depending on the level of radiation, with red areas emitted by protostars with radiation at wavelengths 6 times longer than our eyes can see. But that's not the only amazing thing about this picture. Webcasting is not about taking pretty pictures. It also helps us understand the nature of stars like our Sun. The discovery of exoplanets began in the 1990s, and we now know of more than 3,000 planets. Most of these planets have been discovered indirectly by observing the eclipses as they pass in front of their stars. However, the Webb Telescope is changing that by taking direct images of these distant worlds, giving us a new view of the universe beyond our solar system. Let's see how new tools are opening up the far corners of space. Last September, scientists took a bright image of an exoplanet called CHIPS 65426b, first discovered in 2017. To get a better look at the planet, they used advanced telescopes to block out the star's bright light. Using cameras and special filters, they were able to record this planet, which is 100 times the distance of Earth from the Sun from the star. The planet has an atmosphere 12 times larger than Jupiter in space. Although most phantom galaxies are hidden, they still shine, especially when viewed with the power of the Webb Telescope. Due to the large circular shape and the long arms of the stars, the galaxy radiates from the center, creating a spectacular sight. The Hubble Space Telescope has also captured detailed images of the galaxy, known as M74, but the new Webb Telescope images show details and patterns of dust and hot gas. These models emit bright blue light from the core, illuminating the star-forming regions along the spiral arms, which we have never seen before. The amazing Hubble and Webb Telescope images are thanks to scientists from the European Space Agency who are part of the international project called FNGS. The project uses a variety of telescopes to take infrared images of 19 nearby galaxies that are actively forming stars. Clear and detailed images from the website help astronomers figure out where stars are, figure out the age and size of star clusters, and learn more about interstellar dust. But it was interesting last July. An image of a star known as a Wolf-Rayet shows a unique pattern around it, known as the well-known net diffraction pattern. This pattern looks like a series of waves or rings. Wolf-Rayet stars are massive, nearing the end of their lives and releasing a lot of hydrogen into space. The formation of a ring around the star, called WR140, due to its interaction with a smaller companion star, creates a kind of dance in space. This is a beautiful view. Light years from us, the planet is relatively close. Mercury is about 8 times the distance from the Sun. Even close, WASP 39b is a rough patch. It's about the same size as Saturn, but it's much hotter because it's so close to the star. The dense air that fills the clouds is made up of sulfur compounds and silicates such as sulfur dioxide. Now we move from distant galaxies to the mysteries of alien atmospheres, a new perspective on distant worlds. For the first time, scientists have detected carbon dioxide in the atmosphere of WASP 39b using the main webcam and 2 detectors. This discovery opens new avenues for understanding the atmospheres of planets beyond our solar system. This is a major step forward in our quest to learn more about the nature and composition of distant worlds. This combination of planetary exploration and planetary research demonstrates the telescope's unique capabilities to help us learn more about the early universe and the complex systems of distant planets. But there are others. These findings are just the beginning of what the website can uncover. The deeper we look, the more we realize how much there is to discover. Scientists were able to make scientific predictions about the origin of this planet and how it evolved. They believe that the planets formed far from the star and coalesced by merging smaller bodies. This idea is supported by the fact that the atmosphere contains more oxygen than carbon, at that time. Saturn's moon, Titan, was a unique and fascinating world. On Titan, the rivers, lakes, and oceans are not water, but liquid methane and ethane, while the ground is liquid ice. Methane clouds, not seen on any other moon, covered Titan, making it the only moon in the solar system with a thick atmosphere. In November, scientists took pictures of these methane clouds on Titan using the Webb Telescope. It's a big event, as noted in a NASA statement. It successfully captured images of 2 separate clouds, including one over Krakenmare, Titan's largest sea. The discovery was so impressive that it prompted the team to work with the Keck Observatory in Hawaii for additional observations of Titan just 2 days later. Keck's observations revealed that the cloud shape above Krakenmare had changed, indicating the movement or formation of a new cloud in the area. The research team is eager to use this data to further explore Titan's atmosphere and map its hazy atmosphere, in the hope of discovering new gases. Once thought to be a white dwarf, a dying star shedding its outer layers, the Southern Ring Nebula is more complex than first thought. New research has challenged the old view, showing that there is much more to the haze than meets the eye. The Webb Telescope image of the nebula revealed a binary star system and a hidden companion star. This secondary star was discovered in online images that appear to have formed the nebula with its powerful winds and rays. Webb's near-infrared camera also found more than 2,500 galaxies, many of which had never been seen before, scattered across the background of the Southern Ring Nebula. The space between stars and galaxies is vast and full of dust and gas that blocks our view of distant objects. By being able to see past these barriers, the gaze has shifted to space. This is only the beginning of what the telescope can do. The more he looked at the sky, the brighter it became. The Webb has ushered in a new era of discovery in the universe, providing a clearer and deeper understanding of the world. We've just started exploring the world online, and each new character promises more mysteries to solve and new knowledge to gain. Bill Nye and others believe that with the James Webb Space Telescope, we are entering the golden age of astronomical observation. The telescope's powerful instruments and advanced technology allow us to explore the universe in a way we never could before. With each new image and piece of data, we uncover the world's secrets, one discovery at a time. And who knows? Maybe one day we will discover something that will completely change our understanding of the world.